So, good morning, everyone. We are here to conduct Skill Development Club's first activity, introducing ourselves, which is organized by Training and Placement Organization of Government College of Engineering, Karat. Name of our group is Skill Developers, and we will introduce ourselves one by one. Starting with me, uh, I'm third year electrical engineering student doing Bachelor's of Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karat. My name is Sambudin Nandakumar Dongre, and I'm from Nanded, Maharashtra. I recently completed my mini project stated as application of sensors using Arduino Uno. In this project, I have used different sensors like ultrasonic sensor, MQ2 gas sensor, and shown their application with the help of Arduino. So I have knowledge about Arduino. I did a 6 month campus internship program in online mode with Smart Node Startup, which helps professionals and students to grow their career. As hobbies, I'm really into health and fitness, so I like running and cycling, and I like to read also. I mostly read non-fictional books, and the books those are related to technical knowledge and current technologies. Um, okay. Along with academics, I'm currently doing C++ Python programming courses on Coursera, and I'm really passionate about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Mm, so I'm wishing to work in this industry and explore my possibilities to apply my knowledge and to learn new things also. So thank you so much. This was all from my side. Okay. Now Shreya will give her introduction.
Hello everyone, good morning. First of all, I want to thank everyone for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shreya Balakrishna Savan. I am from Wategaon district, Sangli, Maharashtra. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in the field of electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am an enthusiastic and determined girl. Now I work as an intern in Tech Vardhan Consultancy on solar PV panels and its simulation or its modules. In first year, we have participated in a hackathon, which is held in our college level basis, where we work on smart light system. This year, we have done our mini project with my one of the partner, where we work and study the automatic power transfer. By this, we had learned various research papers and done our project. Along with academics, I have basic knowledge of C, C++, and as well as computer. I also have the knowledge of softwares like Skill, ANSYS, etc. Uh, b- uh, ANSYS, Skill, etc. As During all my projects, I work as a team leader as well as a team player. By doing so, I ensure the completion of work by all my teammates as well as me itself. By talking with extracurricular activities, I am the president of Aptitude Training Portal Club, which is one of the best initiative in our college. Also, I am the member of House of Art of Club. Also, I work as a coordinator in Avishkar event, which is the most beautiful and versatile event in our college. I have my personal interest lies in social work. I love to help needy people. My hobbies are cooking, traveling, and teaching the students, etc. By doing this is all about me. Thank you.
Now Digambar Mari will introduce him.
Thank you, Tipo Placement, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Digambar Deepak Mai, belongs to Karad. I am currently pursuing electrical bachelorate degree from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I completed up to my HSC and SSC qualifications from Sadhguru Gadge Maharaj College. In electrical major, I was part of my project in phase shifting transformer. I also completed phase shifting transformer in star and delta combination to check the phase shifting phenomena. Also, I work on reactive power compensation also. In my perspective of finance and in finance investment industry, I work on two main projects, such as stock analysis through Octave and also using diagonalization of metrics to analyze the stock. In my in my hobbies, I like to read the books in business perspective, and also to analyze the businesses, and I also write some blogs on Thinking the CK platform about organizational behavior and human psychology. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Next, Aarti Chinskar will introduce herself.
Is my screen and my voice is audible?
Yes, Aarti, you're clearly visible and your voice is also audible.
Yeah, sure. Yes, first of all, thank you for allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Aarti Arun Chinskar. I am currently doing my third year BTech Electrical from the Government College of Engineering, Karad. As an electrical engineer, along with the electrical, I am also have the knowledge about the programming skills like C and the Python. I am also familiar with the Arduino and the IoT. Now, talking about my extracurricular activities. I'm the member of the Tiffin Club, and also I'm the coordinator of the House of Arts. I am also the coordinator of the Avishkar event, which is held at our college. And now my hobbies are playing instruments, sketching, and the traveling, etc. And I consider myself as a very focused person, and I always work hard to achieve my goal. And I'm a team player and very enthusiastic to learn new things. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Thank you, Aarti.
Now, uh, now Varsha Santosh will introduce herself.
Hello everyone, my name is Varsha Santosh Kumbar. I am in third year electrical engineering at Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am from Karad. I have completed my HSC from Sri Hanumantrao Sate Junior College of Science, Karad, and SSC from Vithamata Vidyalaya, Karad. Along with academics, I am interested in programming languages, so I have learned C, C++, and Python languages. I am also good at software like ANSYS, PCM, Keel, and basic knowledge of MATLAB also. I have currently doing course on tech section, which name as artificial intelligence. I have done various projects on artificial intelligence, named as mask and unmask detection, and creating a website and creating a chatbot. Talking about my project on third year mini project. My mini project was switching off lights using Arduino, and I have learned and also talking about my roles and responsibilities. uh, I am currently joined aptitude test portal of our GCEK, and in my various uh, project team, I have worked as team leader, so I have leadership qualities and teamwork. Talking about my hobbies, I like to read books and cycling. Thank you.
Now Mudassar Fakil will introduce himself.
Hello, good morning everyone. Firstly, thank you to activities to give me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mudassar Abdul Shakir, currently pursuing third year electrical engineering, doing Bachelor of Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am from Maharashtra. I recently completed my mini project this semester stated as phase shifting transformer. My branch is electrical, so I have core knowledge about my branch. Along with academics, I am currently doing C++, Python, and Java programming course on Coursera and Solo Learner. Also, as a hobbies, I like playing cricket and reading. I mostly read financial books. Those are related to share marketing and also history books. Also, I am interested in what's new happening in the world and technical market. I am very passionate about forex trading and long-term investing. I am wishing to work industry and explore the possibility to apply my knowledge as well as learn new things. Thank you so much.
Okay. Now Rohini will give her introduction.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Rohini, you are audible and visible.
Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, you
Hello,
are
everyone.
audible and visible. Visible.
Okay, I'll start now. Hello, everyone. My name is Rohini Dattatreya Ankamar. I am in third year pursuing BTech Electric from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my HSC from Deglur College, Deglur, and SSC from Golwalkar Guruji Vidyalaya, Deglur. I have good knowledge of programming languages like C and Python. I have also worked on MATLAB and ANSYS softwares. I have worked on projects of street light glows while detecting vehicle using IR sensors and website designing using HTML and CSS. I like sketching and playing games. Thank you.
Okay. Now Renuka will introduce herself.
Okay. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are audible and visible also.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Renuka Shivaji Kurade. I am from Karad, pursuing in BTech Electrical from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my HSC from Swatantraveer Dadasaheb Undalkar Junior College, Undale, and SSC from Sri Ninai Devi Vidyalaya, Tursan. I have good knowledge of programming languages like C, Python, HTML, and CSS. I have also worked on softwares like Kill, ANSYS, Proteus, etc. I have done projects on street light glows on vehicle detection using IR sensors and making of hotel website using HTML and CSS. I have done mini project with my partner in which we made the circuit for determine the faults in phases, 3 phases. Currently, I am doing course of web development provided by Tech Saksham. Dancing, singing are my hobbies. Thank you.
Thank you. Now Vaishnavi will give her introduction.
I'm visible.
Yes, you are.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Deepak Koke. I currently do third year electrical engineering course from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I passed the HSC from Balwan College Vita, SSC from Modern Education Society Vita. I recently done my internship on from Tech Vardhan company on solar PV simulation and designing. I recently work on project which is synchronization of panel using synchroscope method. Also, I recently work on course which is cloud computing, which deal with different services of Microsoft Azure. I have good knowledge of programming language like as C, C++, and Java. Also, I have some basic knowledge of software like as Kills, MATLAB, and Proteus. My hobbies is singing, reading books, etc. Thank you.
Now Akshay Patil will introduce himself.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Akshay Ashok Patil. I am from Shahuwadi, Kolhapur. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in Electrical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Along with electrical, I have also good knowledge about programming languages like C, C++. I have done a project on smart irrigation system during college level hackathon. I have also done project on home automation using Arduino in my third year. So as both my projects are considering Arduino, I have good knowledge about Arduino. My hobbies are playing cricket, solving puzzles, and reading books. That's all about me. Thank you.
Now, okay. This is the end of the activity from our side, and I would like to thank our TPO and Skill Development Club for giving us the opportunity to introduce ourselves. Thank you so much.